Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Excited today, miles to go. Actually had their fall update and they had some nice new plants listed. So I got a few goodies. Definitely wanted to kind of unbox it and show you what I got. So here goes. All right, let's see what we got here. Can't wait. First one. This one's going to be Ariocarpus physioratus, subspecies physioratus. Oh, it looks great. Nice roots. Perfect. Next one here. Oh, there's actually two in that one. I did order three. Oh, these are the subspecies Lloydii. Sorry to go back, but yeah, Ariocarpus, subspecies physioratus, Lloydii major. So those look really cool when they get older. So excited about those two. Don't have those. I believe I have some other physioratus in here as well. So excited to get all of them. This one is going to be Turbinocarpus macrochelli, macrochel subspecies Pulaski. See how these look. Oh, these are awesome. Nice little fatties. Very nice. Turbinocarpus there. Ooh, another one. Let's see what we got here. These are going to be the physioratus, subspecies physioratus, all Ariocarpus. Did get three of them. That was the limit I could get. So love them. I just love physioratus. So whenever I can get more, these were $10 on these just to kind of give you the price. And then those Lloydii were 15 each. So 10 for the physioratus, and then 15 on the physioratus Lloydii major. All right, this one. What do we got here? Homolocephala texensis. Horse cripplers, I believe. Don't have them, so I wanted to get a couple. Looking nice. Perfecto. Another smaller one. Probably another Turbinocarpus. Let's see here. Turbinocarpus schmidecianus, subspecies Andersonii. Ooh, those look nice too. Oh, I like how these look. Nice Turbinocarpus. I love Turbinocarpus. They fit like in my smaller greenhouse. Got a little shelf there, and all of them have been flowering all summer. So I'm a turbo fan right now for sure. Trying to make seeds. All right, on this one, it is Cactus, Rhincacensis, subspecies Phimathathylos. Whoosh. It's going to be a tough one to remember. Oh, that looks cool. Super cool. I always try to get two if I can. Pretty much of everything that I buy there, unless it's limited one. Those are nice Thalos. Rhincacensis. Those. And the last part is Fimatothylos. Practice. All right, on this one, these are Frailea castaneas. I think I got 3. Oh, they're cute. Looks like they've been flowering. That's super cool. Gosh, those are pretty. Definitely has a flower. I don't know if it's a seed pod, but looks like it. If it is, thank you, Miles. I'll definitely start those. All right. Let's go down here. A bit larger. This one is. Oop. Looks like pharaohs. Ow. Echinocactus. Echinocactus perrii. Don't have them, so thought I'd grab a couple of those. And those are stunning. Those look great. Echinocactus perrii. This one feels a little heavier. Feels like a graft. I know I ordered a few of those. So we'll see what we got here. Well wrapped. This one is going to be Aztecium valdezii graft. Nice. Oh, super cool. On the valdezii, it has little offsets coming off already too. Count it right on the bottom there. 1, 2. Got a third one there. 4th one on top. So super, super cool. Believe it's on a Myrtillo. I have one of those in the greenhouse, so I was loving to get another one. That way, if they pup heavily, I can kind of get some of those and graft them myself. So kind of fun. See what we have here. Looks like another graft. I think this is the Ritterai. Yep. Aztecium Ritterai Clone 1. Nice. Got some sun stress to it. Love it. Nice. Aztecium Ritterai. Super cool. Another graft here. Ooh, I know what this one is. Ow. That hurt. We got an Ortego Cactus McDouglii. Nice. This is round 2 for me. I had one last year, had too much humidity in the greenhouse. It was actually in a grow tent inside, and I took it out. Literally got infected through the side. So it wasn't through the actual rootstock. It actually got like this rot coming from the side. So I'm excited to try that again. Definitely keeping it outside. I'm not even playing around with that one inside. Ooh. This one is Astrophytum Super Kabuto Kiko. Nice. Very nice. Thick graft on that one. Yep, that's the last one there. Got a nice tray of new plants here. So I will definitely get these potted up and we will show you what we got. Have everything potted up. I'm actually not going to top dress them for a couple of waters, let everything kind of settle, and then get them top dressed before it starts getting a little cooler out. But start in the front here, these are the two Areocarpus physerotus. These are Lloydii majors up front there. Then you got the Turbinocarpus macrocelli palaskii on those two. The Cactus rhencanensis on the two outside there. Then we'll move to the physerotus, Areocarpus physerotus with the three across. Then we have three of the Frailea castanea here in kind of that L shape. Then you have Turbinocarpus schmidtkianus andersonii for the two in the center there. We have the Echinocactus perrii, and then the Echinocactus texensis horse cripplers there in the center. This one's going to be the Aztecium ritteri graft. You know, a little sun stress there. Ortegocactus mcdouglii on graft there. The Valdezii Aztecium, the little pups coming off. And then the last one, we have the Astrophytum supercabuto kiko. But great plants. Miles had a great update. Can't wait to get these in the greenhouse. And thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you on the next video.